Hi guys, welcome down to the men's movement. Now today I'd like to talk to you about something which is really different and sort of came from left field. Have a look at this. Have a look at what I'm wearing. It's a great t-shirt. If you have a look at that, it's really good. So a guy came to me and said, I got an idea for a motivational t-shirt for your gym. I thought this is pretty good. And he said he's been watching this video on YouTube, and this guy was talking about discipline, about the importance of discipline. You can see that there, discipline. It's really important to do discipline. So we had a bit of a chat and we spoke and we came up with some other words and we thought, well, people are going for motivation, but I don't really think motivation exists. I personally don't think motivation exists. And then perfection, well, what's perfection? When you're aiming for perfection, it sort of stifles your progress. And then we sort of, well, excuses, we know we want to get rid of excuses. So we came up with discipline. And I think you'd agree, they're really good t-shirts and the people at the gym really love them. But I've been thinking, stick with me for this because you'll sort of understand what I was going on in my head as we're doing this, because people have started to order these t-shirts in the gym and they're wearing them proudly, and I do too. I love the t-shirt, discipline. But then I thought, what does the discipline word really mean? What's the word discipline all about? Because when you're a school teacher, discipline is something you do to punish kids. Discipline implies it's like homework. It's something you have to do. And so I got thinking about what was his intent when he provided the t-shirts and we started coming up with the idea of the t-shirts. It was to motivate people. It was to sort of stop them reaching for excuses. What's the other intent of the t-shirt? Well, it was to show them that if you keep doing it every day and you have discipline, you'll get results. And as I kept going, now stick with me because it's sort of, this is a crazy way my mind works. So it's a bit of an insight to me for a second. Discipline. What was his intent? And then it hit me. Intent. If you have intent, then you don't need discipline. If you have intent, you don't need motivation. If you have intent, you're not worried about perfection. If you have intent, the excuses throw away. So even the process of the discipline isn't required when you have intention. And this is what I'm seeing in the gym, especially with some of the clients who are getting results from doctors and they don't like the results with their menopause, they don't like the results with their hearts and stuff like that. And they're coming in with intent. And you don't need to motivate them anymore because they have intrinsically been inspired because they have intent. When you've got intent, when you have it inside you, and there's a reason why you're training, there's no need anymore to apply the discipline. There's no need anymore to even look for the excuses or ignore the excuses. You're not finding perfection. You're not even worried about motivation because you've got intent. And when you have intent, there's no stopping you. So find your intention, find your why, and there'll be no stopping you. I thought I'd share that with you in a quick 3-minute video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Let's help you find your intent. We'll look forward to seeing less of you next time. Take care, guys. Cheers.
You've been listening to the Men's Movement. Look forward to seeing less of you next time.